today I'm going to say how to do the working animation. So that's you'll need is I'll just show you. That's you'll need is Gacha or Gataverse and GU Recorder and Kind Master. So I'm gonna go in Gataverse for me. So yeah, sorry about the background music. So then you go to dress and then you go to animated right there. Don't choose that one. Choose this one. Oh yeah. I'd like you to choose that one. Then you pick screen. I have to go now to record this, so yeah, I'll show the clip. Okay, so I just recorded the video. Now you go to the recorder and you actually just record it for 20 seconds or 30 or longer needed. So further we got to then you go to edit and you're going to crop it. When you press speed, then you click 1, 2, there, conform, okay. Save, then you save it. I think guys only DU recorder only works on Android, so don't know how you're gonna do this, but it's all you need is Android, and you can get Gacha Live on your I or something, iOS whatever. I don't know how to say it. Sorry, because I know I don't have a phone. Well, I have a phone now, so I have a phone now though. So why did I say that 2 times? I have a phone now, so I know what to do now. I used to have a phone, but okay. I forgot where we go. Then you go to Kind Master. I was speaking too much about my phone. Then go to media, and then you go to your screenshots. Then you press your depth thing. Then if you don't want it, press this button there. And via media or image video edit there. Then you put it there. And then available from here and I need to do that again, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna do that again, guys. So, to survive. Woo! I love that. Woo! I love this one. Like, Jesus. This was spice up fun. I'm doing it again. You don't have to do it again. Don't worry, guys. You're doing it right. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. There's no mistake about this walking stuff because I know you know how to do it, but not today, honey. Then here, then here, then here, and then here. And she is going to end right here. Perfect! There we go, there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like the video and put on the notification bell. Like the video, put on notifications, and the last thing is to subscribe. Guys, love you.